Hello, my name is Tao. I'm a game artist, and in this tutorial I'm going to take you through a game asset creation from start to finish. We're going to begin with a quick concept and then swiftly move on to modeling. In the modeling part, I'm going to take you through modeling every piece without skipping anything, so it's easy to follow. We're going to start with a low poly, and after that's done, we're going to take it and prepare it to be smoothed and subdivided so we can add more details in the sculpting part. In there, we'll tackle how to sculpt wood and damage on the metal. I'll go through what I like sculpting and what I like to leave for the texturing phase. And in the texturing part, I'm going to open up a Substance Painter file and go through each layer one by one to show you how I've achieved the end result. We'll cover using alphas, generators, filters, and so on. And then for the final part, I'm going to go through my marmoset file and show you how I lit the scene bit by bit. I'll talk about my thought process behind it and the errors I've made along the way. This tutorial is made for beginner to intermediate artists. It's around 2.5 hours long and covers everything to get you started creating your own assets. So join me in this little adventure and I'll see you there.